Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video we learned question number 5 related with exercise number 7.2 related with the chapter number 7 Trigonometry class 10 Mathematics. In today's video I am going to solve the next question number 6 related with the same exercise number 7.2. So exercise number 7.2 chapter number 7 Trigonometry is the name of the chapter number 7 in class 10 Mathematics. And question number 6 tells that an arc of circle subtends an angle of 2 radian. Let's suppose this is the arc of this circle and it subtends over here the theta which is equal to 2 radian. And 2 radian at the center, this is the center of this circle. At this center it makes theta 2 radian. If the area of sector formed is 64 centimeter square centimeter, if the area over here of this radian theta and the radius of this circle is actually 64 square centimeter, so that is that find the radius of this circle. We derived in the previous videos a formula for the area of sector which was equal to theta r square divided by 2. So move toward the solution of question number 6. Area of sector was equal to half r square theta or theta r square, half r square theta. Now we are going to find the radius of the circle. So we will shift this 2 on the left hand side. It become 2a, 2 will multiply with a because over here is in division. So by shift to the left hand side it will multiply with a. So it become 2a r square theta. Now divide both sides with theta. So on the right hand side we are left with r square and on the left hand side we are left with 2. Now we are going to find the value of r. So we will take under root on the both sides. So this square will cancel with under root. We are left with r is equal to under root of 2a divided by theta. Now by putting the values we will get the required radius of the circle. So r will be equal to 2 into a is actually the area of the sector which is 64 cm square. Cm means centimeter square or square centimeter divided by theta. Theta is actually 2 radian. So 2 radian. Now take under root. So it become r will be equal to 2 cancelled with 2. We are left with under root of 64 centimeter square. So this square will cancel out with under root of, so centimeter will comes out from the under root of, and you know that under root of 64 is equal to 8 because 8 is a perfect square. If you multiply 8 with 8 it will give us 64. So 8 multiply 8 can be written as 8 square, so square will cancel out with under root, we are left with 8. So the under root of 64 is 8 and the square will cancel with the under root of, so centimeter will comes out from the under root of. So the required radius of the circle is actually r is equal to 8 centimeter. So with this question I finish my lecture. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification about class 10 or second year mathematics. Thank you.